Hello, I'm Chris Browder. This is lesson 9. We're going to be looking at the social aspects of second language acquisition. This video is just an overview of the rest of the lesson, which is broken into 2 more videos after this. This lesson is largely based off of Chapter 9 in Rod Ellis's text, Understanding Second Language Acquisition, Ortega's text, Understanding Second Language Acquisition, and Seville Troik's text, Introducing Second Language Acquisition. In this course, we have already discussed theories of SLA that acknowledge how learners' social environments affect their second language acquisition. Most theories of SLA acknowledge that learners' social environments affect their motivation, their access to input, their opportunities to practice using the language, the variety or vernacular of language they learn, and even their processing of the input and output. In this lesson, however, we will learn that there are schools of thought in SLA that believe that the social domain is even more than that. These schools of thought argue that if language itself is a social phenomena, then language acquisition must also be a social phenomena. One of these approaches, social cultural theory, asserts that language learning is an external process that takes place within a society using its cultural artifacts, concepts, and practices. Unlike cognitivists, who are concerned with how individuals process language in order to eventually use it, social cultural theory proposes that learners' use of language is itself a part of the processing. In other words, use is not the product of language learning, use is the process. Another approach, the social identity approach, asserts that language learners are not just learning rules of grammar and vocabulary, they're learning how to participate in a community. While learning to participate, they're becoming socialized into that community's values and culture, and they're using that target language to negotiate a new identity for themselves in that community. All right, this is all for the introduction. We're going to start the next video with a discussion of the theories that we already know that explain the role of social factors. And then we're going to start moving into these other theories that are what you would call that place a stronger value on the social factors in learning. All right, thanks.